All right, guys, so we got an awesome desk that was gifted to us. I want to tell you all about it and give you a few reasons as to why you should pick it up. So first and foremost, super small, compact design. I do like this. An easy standing desk here. Now, while we're working through it, I'm going to go ahead and put it together with you guys, show you the do's and don'ts with regards to it. And I love that it is very simple guideline with regards to putting it together. So you have 4 simple steps. You only have so many different pieces that you have to do, which makes it super nice in doing this. So let's go ahead and open it up all the way so we can see everything we are working with here, get a good view. They do package it nicely. Loving that part of it. And again, only a couple steps. So step 1, we're going to be putting together the base. So we're going to get all the pieces that we need for the base itself. Bam. Okay. Right here, this is going to be going to the top, so we're going to set those off to the side because that is going to actually connect to the top of it. Okay, next piece, let's get the rest of this move off. We have one piece for the base and second piece for the base right here, the square sections. So you want to line up the way it has it on the bottom. So we're going to line these up together. Make sure we are flipping them the same way. So very important that you do that. Okay. See if we can get my camera shifted down just a little bit, give you guys a better view. There it is right there. Perfect. All right. So we're going to be connecting here. This is the middle bracket section. We're going to make sure we are connecting that together. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that here now. You have all of your pieces that are clearly marked here, which makes it super simple. So in this section, we are going to be using D2, 4 of F, and we're going to be using 4 of the casters. All right, so in the F bag, that's what we're going to be going. So you're going to go ahead and get the F bag right here, pop this open. Get 4 screws out of it, just like so. Now, I like to go ahead and hand tighten things. That makes things a lot easier. Don't worry about that. I'm going to hand tighten it. There you go. Now make sure when you are doing this, everything is facing the same direction. That's going to be key, so you're not putting them on wrong. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And look how easy this is. I mean, it's coming together. You can see how wide it's going to overall be, and that's kind of perfect from a standing desk perspective. Whether you're using this to do like walk on a walking pad or anything like that. So there you have it. That's going to be the width of it. Now, I like they also gave you the tool in the packet. So if you get into the initial packet, they actually have the tool in here to tighten this guy up. So here you go. Makes it super simple. All right. I would not over tighten it either, so make sure you do that. Especially until you get to the end. Want to get it kind of just snug. Right? That makes it perfect. Get to the other side. Whole lot easier, like I said, when you hand tighten everything. With all these projects, it's a whole lot easier when you start with hand tightening them. So now we can just go in and crank it down. Just like that. Now, without anything else on here, this thing is already really rigid. I do like that. Sometimes I worry with desk or anything we go to put together, it's not held properly. This thing is solid. This thing is absolutely solid. All right, so we get that on. Now we do need to put our caps, which are going to be on here. Okay. You get your cap. And you have 2 of them. Now, keep in mind, this is going to be facing, so you want to face this piece right here is going to be facing the back side of the unit, which is going to have this square spot. I don't know if you can see that. So the back side, that's where you're going to go. You're going to pop that down. Boom. Just like that. Just like so. There you have it. We're on. All right. Next thing. We got our 4 casters. Let's go ahead and pop those on. Honestly, I don't know about you. This is super easy. First time reading through the directions. Very simple. We're going to flip this over. These are going to be screw-on casters right on the bottom, as you can see. Just like I said before, you get everything. So just go ahead and get it on kind of finger tight. Just like so. Okay. All right. So we got both sides on right there. Let's get to the other side. Whoops. Now, they do give you a little wrench. Once you get them all kind of on there started, they give you a wrench that you're able to go ahead and put on here. And I don't know if you noticed, this is super lightweight. I got one hand holding it up without any issues. The other hand screwing it in without any issues. Let's go ahead and get a wrench. Just like so. Connect it on. And just like that. Tighten it down. All right. Okay. So. All right. So once you get all of them tightened on it, we're going to kind of skip ahead to the next part. Once you get all of them tightened on it, there you go. You have the unit right here. So we're going to get into the next step. We're going to put in our crossbars, which are going to come across the top. Okay. They are universal, so both ways will work. No problems with that. So we're going to put in our crossbars. Okay. We also have our 2 see here. See which one I got going on. E. Got it. Wrong ones. We have our 2 pieces that are going to go into that E slot. Just like so. My wife would tell me I just need to read directions more. So there you have it. That's going to be able to control the height of everything. So once you tighten and lower these, that's going to be able to control the height. So you can use these to set whatever height you want and keep it nice and flush. That was easy.
Just like so.
Just like so. All right, next one. You're going to put your bracket on the top. Okay? So you have a middle bracket here, as some would say, just like so. I'm going to place it in the middle. It should sit. There is some tension on it, so it should go ahead and sit there without any problems. Same thing you're going to have right here. Okay. All right, you're going to have the same thing right here. F bolt. Be able to pop this on. Honestly, they have made this a dream to be able to put together. This is no IKEA furniture. This is better. You got the other side. But make sure we're not cross-threading it. Bada boom, bada bang. Okay. Now, guys, we are on to the home stretch here. We have our side braces on. We have our other braces on. And let's go ahead and put our top piece on. Very easy process. So, remember, it does go on a specific way. So you want the holders to be on this side with your iPad or tablet holder on that as well. Then we should have 4 bolts to be able to connect this. Let's read our directions, make sure we're good to go. So we got G, 4 of them. You're going to come down below. And just like that. Very easy. They have nice insert. Get one of these done. Come over to the other side. I like to do one half of the side at a time. Reason why is because once you get it flush there, everything's going to be flush. You won't have to make many adjustments. And you will be threaded properly without too many problems. And there you have it. Just like that. Flip it around. Do the same thing for the back. Look at that. Threads in. No problems. Like a dream. Okay. Last one. All right, now our top is on. There you have it. So, you're able to make this happen however you want to. You got casters on the bottom. Go ahead and lift it up however we want to. So let's go ahead and loosen up the top. Just like so. There you go. Able to come here. Tighten it down on one or both sides. Guys, this is a fantastic standing desk to be able to use anytime without any problems. You should definitely do what we always do, and that is check it out.
That's not.
No. It's the stop button.